Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. Thanks for joining me again for this week's CVS deals video. This is the second week in the 2-week ad cycle, and it might look a little slow if you did a big haul last week, or it can be a chance for you to get some of the products you missed last week. I tried to find some of the deals that are not in my last week Sunday's video. If you have a 10 or 70 or a 10 or 16x purchase CRT, you can add some of this deal to the transaction. And remember, you can use your extra care box to help your out of pocket. Check your app because we received the same mystery offer we got last week. $3 L'Oreal CRT and a $4 CoverGirl CRT. That means we can do the CoverGirl Moneymaker again. Let's go grab some deals. The first deal I have here is on Dove hand wash, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $2 extra care box back. They are priced at $5.79 each. That means the second one will be $2.90. Pick up two and the two items are going to total $8.69. I have a $2 off two any Dove product I got from Unilever email. Using that will drop it down to $6.69. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both items $4.69 or $2.35 each. And also check your Fetch reward to see if you have any points there. The next deal is on Nivea men body wash. They are part of the buy two get $5 back and it's a limit of one. Picking up two of the Nivea men body wash priced at $6.79 each. Both items are going to total $13.58. I have this 3 of 2 Nivea body wash coupon we got from the 128 savings set. If you have the $2 digital coupon that is also attaching to these products and you clip that on your app, both are going to double dip and take off 5, dropping it down to $8.58. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back, making both items just $3.58 or $1.79 each. If you don't have the 3 of 2 paper coupon, you can still do this deal using the $2 digital coupon, then submit your receipt to Shopmium for $2 back on the second body wash. This next deal I showed it last week, but I'm showing another way to do it, and this is the spend 20 get $10 back on Aquaphor or Eucerin, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the intensive repair lotion, the 5 ounces, priced at $6.99 each. 3 of them are going to total $20.97. We have a $3 digital coupon, and if you also have a 3 of 12 lotion CRT, add it to this transaction. Both the coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $14.97. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Shopmium for a $3 back on the second item, and also to Swagbox for a $3 back on the third item. After these 2 rebates, these 3 items are going to end up free and a $1.03 money maker. The next deal I have will be on Pampers skincare. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 extra care box back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the soft smooth swivel sticks. They are priced at $7.49 each. That means the second one will be $3.75. 2 of them are going to total $11.24. Pay that because we don't have any coupon for this. Then you get $6 extra care box back, making both items $5.24 or $2.62 each. The next deal I have here will be on Pampers. They're on sale for 2 for $22, and when you spend $20, you get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2. We have a 3 of 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $19. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back. That will make both packs just $14 or $7 each. And if you have any baby care CRT, you can add it to this deal. If you prefer Ninjamas, they're on the same deal of spend 20 get $5 extra care box back, and they're on sale for 2 for $22. Pick up 2. We also have the 3 of 2 digital coupon that is separate from the Pampers I just showed earlier on. It's going to drop it down to $19. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back, making both packs just $14 or $7 each. The last deal I have here is not giving back any extra care box, but it's on Nature Valley granola bar. They're on sale for $1.99 each. Pick up 2. They will total $3.98. Check your app, cause mine I have 2 of the 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off $1 and drop it down to $2.98. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2. And also check your fetch reward, cause I have a 2,350 points for buying 2, and it will also track to the spend 30 get 2,000 points back. But with fetch, I prefer the buy deals than the spend deals, because sometimes the extra care box kind of mess it up, and when you have low out of pocket, it doesn't track correctly. After the points back, these 2 products will end up being free. And this concludes my video for today. I hope you find something helpful in this video, and I'll talk to you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.